Welcome back to our course on Mindfulness Meditation. Today we are diving into a very common question. When is the best time to meditate? Let's explore some options to help you decide what works best for you. Morning meditation. Beginning your day with meditation sets a peaceful tone for everything that follows. The early morning, right after you wake up, is often considered the best time to meditate. Why? Because your mind is still fresh and quiet. There is something special about the peacefulness of the morning that really enhances meditation. Plus, it sets a relaxed tone for your whole day. Midday moments. Feeling overwhelmed or stressed in the middle of your day? That's a perfect moment for a quick meditation break. Around lunchtime or early afternoon can be great times to reset your mind. It helps to clear the morning's stress and prepares you for the rest of the day. Just a few minutes can make a big difference. Evening ease. Evening can be another wonderful time to meditate. It's your chance to release the day's worries and relax. Meditating before dinner or right before bedtime can help you unwind and improve your sleep. Just be careful if you are tired. Meditating too close to bedtime might make you fall asleep if you are not yet skilled at staying alert while relaxed. While mornings, midday, and evenings are popular, the truth is the best time to meditate is a time that you can consistently set aside each day. Consistency is key in meditation. It's more about the regularity than the clock. So choose a time when you are least likely to be interrupted and can truly dedicate yourself to practicing mindfulness. Trial and adjust. If you are not sure what time works best for you, try different times of the day. Notice how you feel during and after each session. It's all about finding what fits your lifestyle and sticking with it. So, pick a time that feels right, create a little routine around it, and enjoy the many benefits that meditation can bring into your life. For beginners in mindfulness meditation, start with sessions lasting 10 to 15 minutes and gradually extend the duration as you become more comfortable. Those at an intermediate level should aim for sessions of 20 to 30 minutes or longer. It is typically beneficial to practice once a day. However, for maximum benefits, consider meditating twice daily, both in the morning and evening. Remember, there is no perfect time to meditate. What matters most is finding a time that works for you. Stay consistent, keep practicing, and enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture.